Hey guys, Brandon here with SleekMods.com. Today we have our MotoBatt AGM battery replacement for the Can-Am Ryker. An AGM battery or absorbed glass mat battery is maintenance free, will never need water, and comes charged ready to ride. This MotoBatt AGM style battery is a direct OE replacement to your stock Ryker battery and installs in just a few minutes. Now, one of our favorite things about this MotoBatt battery upgrade is that it features two positive and two negative terminals, so you have plenty of terminal space when adding future 12-volt accessories. So if it's time to replace your factory Ryker battery, then be sure to head on over to SleekMods.com today and grab a MotoBatt AGM replacement battery for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date with everything Ryker. I'm Brandon signing out. Until next time.